Have you ever wondered how scientists create genetically modified organisms or produce life-saving insulin? It all comes down to recombinant DNA technology. Join me in this exciting journey as we explore how genetic engineering is transforming medicine, agriculture, and research. Let us see what is recombinant DNA. Recombinant DNA is groundbreaking technique where DNA from different sources is combined to create a new genetic sequence. This allows scientists to introduce beneficial traits into organisms or even correct genetic disorders. To work with the DNA, scientists use specialized tools. Let's break them down. Restriction enzymes. These act like molecular scissors, cutting DNA at a specific sequences. Second one is vectors. Small carriers like plasmids or viruses help deliver the desired gene into host cell. Then polymerase chain reaction. This amplifies DNA, allowing scientists to work with even tiny genetic samples. Now let's see how recombinant DNA technology works in 5 simple steps. Gene isolation is the first step. The required gene is cut from DNA sequence. Second one is the vector selection. A suitable carrier like a plasmid is chosen. Third step is the gene insertion. The desired gene is inserted into the vector. Fourth step is the transformation. The recombinant DNA is introduced into a host cell. And the last one is the fifth step, expression. The cell produces the desired protein or trait. This technology is transforming multiple fields: medicine, production of insulin, growth hormone, and the vaccines. Agriculture, genetically modified crops with high yield and pest resistance. Research, DNA fingerprinting, gene mapping, and genetic diagnostics. But with great powers comes great responsibility. Genetic engineering has potential risk, including unintended consequences. DNA modifications can disrupt natural ecosystem. Ethical concerns, genetic modification raise moral dilemmas about altering life. Social inequality, not everyone may have the equal access to genetic advancements. The future of recombinant DNA technology is promising. Scientists are developing precision medicines, personalized treatments based on an individual's genetics. Gene editing, techniques like CRISPR to fix genetic disorders and personalize healthcare. Medical solutions tailored to each patient's DNA. And that's how recombination DNA technology is revolutionizing science. What are your thoughts on genetic engineering? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting science content. See you in the next video.